Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make a super quick Balti with chicken and spinach. So as always, we'll start off with a nice hot pan, drizzle of olive oil in there. We've got 500 grams of diced chicken breast. When that pan's nice and hot, slide that chicken in. You're going to stir fry that chicken for about 3 or 4 minutes until the chicken's well sealed. That chicken's nicely sealed now. So I'm going to add the jar of Balti sauce. I'm going to add about 1/3 of a jar of water. You don't want to waste any. Swirl that around. Add that into the pan as well. And give that a good stir. I'm going to let that come to the boil now. And add the lid. And then leave it for about 7 or 8 minutes. Right, that's bubbling nicely. It's had about 4 or 5 minutes. That's chicken's cooking well. We've got a couple of handfuls of baby spinach leaves. Just going to add them into the pan. Now that looks like a lot, but when that starts to wilt, it really isn't that much. So you want to mix them in. I'm going to pop the lid back on, give that another 2 or 3 minutes. So that's had a couple of minutes now. I'm going to check if the spinach is wilting nicely. So I'm just going to turn the heat down and let that continue to simmer for a couple of minutes with the lid off. So that sauce has thickened up quite nicely. I've had it on the simmer with the lid off for about 2 or 3 minutes and it's ready to serve.